Welcome to another video in our how-to series, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your first digital product on KreateSell. Now this is a very important thing because as a user on KreateSell, you are either a creator, which means you have a course. It might be an ebook, it might be a digital download, it might be a course, or it might be a membership or a subscription that you want to sell, or you could be an affiliate where you just want to promote hot products in the marketplace and earn a commission. And on KreateSell, you do this with the same account. You don't need to create another account to become an affiliate or create another account to become a creator. Everything happens right here on your creator dashboard. So how do I create my first digital product as a creator on KreateSell? I mean, remember, the very first thing you have to do when you create a new account is to set up your store and then set up your payout details. That is a requirement. You cannot create a product until you have done this. So if I've set up my store, I've set up my payout details, what do I need to do? Now just head over to your sidebar here. Whether you're on mobile, if you're on desktop or mobile, this will be found in the same place. Just head to the sidebar and then click on, of course, click on product. You pop this open and then you click on create product. And here you have it. You have three types of products that you can create on KreateSell. You have a digital download, you have a one-time subscription, and then you have a membership. These are the three types of products that can be created on KreateSell. As you can see, by default, it's on digital download. The one-time subscription, that's a course. If I want to create a course like videos, that people can watch, like a course format, that can be done as a one-time subscription, and that means they only pay once. And you can see that this is a business plan feature, so you have to be on business plan to create a one-time subscription. Then for a membership, this is also a course, but with a little difference, which is that you can charge your subscribers on a particular basis. So for example, if I create a membership where people have to pay every week to access new content, so it means if they've not paid for that number of time, they will not see that content, then that is exactly what a membership is. For one-time subscription, every content that you create will be accessible as long as the person has made payment for that course, and they only make the payment once and for all. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, let us create our digital download product. The digital download product is a product where you upload a file that people can download. And so we get right to it. So the first thing you want to do is obviously enter the name of the product. In this case, I'll call it digital pro creator. I'm going to call this name of my product. For my description, I already have a description type, so I'm just going to paste it here. The description has a 700 character limit, so I think my description is already almost more than the limit. So I have a description here, then more details. So here you can provide more details about the product, things that you can't fit into this short description. You can even embed a video. Maybe you have a video on YouTube or Vimeo. You can upload an image. You can do so many things inside this box right here. And you can, so at this point you upload the product image. I'm going to just find an image to upload. Let me see if I have an image here. So let's say this is an image for my product. Then I can obviously, if you want to set a pre-order product, that's a business plan feature for now, so you have to have upgraded your account to do so. Then you toggle on to add your content file. This is what your buyers will be given after they made successful payment for your product. So make sure you upload the file. All right, and so only one file is allowed to be uploaded. For multiple uploads, bundle all your files into a single zip or RAW file. So it means that this upload will only accept one upload, for your content file. But what if I have a content file of like a video and a PDF together, and I don't want to sell it as a course, then bundle everything into a zip or RAW file, and then you upload it. But note, there's a limit. The maximum allowed size is 1 gig for images and videos, all right, and then 500 megabyte for other file type. That is, if you're trying to upload a zip file, it will be a 500 megabyte limit, or a RAW file, as the case may be. So that being said, I'm going to upload just a PDF. In my own case, I have a PDF here, Digital Pro Creator, and it's going to upload. You're going to see the progress as the file uploads. It's on 60% now, and that's coming up. All right, we're done, 100%, and my file is successfully uploaded. Then the next thing to do is to set your listing status. What does this mean? Listing status is when you choose whether your product will be available on your store. There are 3 listing status available: activated. You can go through this. Activated means that your product will be live and will be visible on your storefront. So every creator, every account on KreateSell has a storefront. So if you set the listing status for a product to be activated, it means that the product will be seen or found on your storefront. If you set it to be deactivated, it means nobody will be able to access this product. All right. And then if you set it to unlisted, it means that this product will not be visible on your storefront, but anyone that has the direct link to the product can still purchase it. That means you have given someone the link, but you don't want to show this product on your storefront for whatever reasons. So I want mine to show on my storefront. I'm going to select activated and save and continue. Now we are on the checkout details. On this checkout details, this is where you specify the details concerning the product, like the price and everything. So you have the call to action. I'm going to leave this as buy now. Then you have the payment type. Do you want a fixed price? Which is that let's say I want my product to be 10,000 naira, and I add currency. It means when someone wants to buy my product, they pay 10,000 naira, and that's it. So what does pay what you want to mean? Pay what you want is, I want to set a minimum amount. So I say, okay, this person, what my buyer should pay, they must pay me at least 10,000 naira, but I want them to be able to pay more than that if they choose to. So the buyer, it means you have set the minimum amount they must pay you, but you can even suggest an amount to them and say, okay, 50,000 naira. All right, and then you save. What this means is on the checkout, the buyers will see minimum amount 10,000 naira, but they will now enter the amount they want to pay you. They can choose to enter the same 10,000 naira, but they cannot enter anything less than the minimum amount. So that's all about pay what you want. I'm going to just set a fixed price in this case. Then I can show a compared to price. Let's say you're running a promo. You want to show your buyers that this product used to cost more, and then you can put 20,000 naira here. Then, by the way, you cannot put a price that is lesser than the selling price as your original price. Okay. So I'm going to scroll up. So of course you cannot apply coupon at this point because it's also a business plan feature. So if you want to create a coupon, there's a point where you can do that. All right, so there are the bunch of toggles here that we can quickly look through. This first one says allow affiliates to market products. This is if you want affiliate to promote your product. It means therefore that KreateSell's affiliate marketing program, there's a marketplace. If I put on this toggle and save, it means that affiliate will see my product in the marketplace. If you put it off, your product will be fine, you are selling on your storefront, but affiliate cannot promote your product because they will not get a unique link to it. They will not even see it in the marketplace. So if I want my affiliate to promote my product, all I need to do is put on the toggle and then enter the percentage I want to give them. Let's say I'm giving them 50%. Upload the promotional material. So in case I have, this is like sort of a joint venture thing where you have materials where you want to give to your affiliates to sell your product. You upload it at this point, and then whenever your affiliates gain access to promote your product, they will be able to see these materials that you have given to them. Maybe you have your product images. You don't want your affiliate to start looking for their own images to sell your product. Just upload all of that here. Similar to the upload for content file, you can only upload one file, and then you can upload, your RAW. You can bundle. If you have multiple files, you can bundle them into one particular file. All right, that being said, I'm going to move on from there. This one says to limit product sales. This is, let's say I only want to sell 20 units of this product. It can be for different reasons. Maybe you want your users to see that this product will run out. All right, so you set like, okay, make it 10. What, and if you say make it, let's say 20, for example, the moment you have 10 units left, KreateSell on your storefront, KreateSell will start showing your buyers that this product will soon run out. It will start counting like minus 10 left, 9, and all of that. So that might be the reason why you want to limit product sales. Publicly show total sales on store page. Maybe your product has been doing really well. You have sold like a lot of copies of that product, and you want to show it to new prospects as a proof that a lot of people have enjoyed this product. You can toggle this on. It will show the number of sales on that product, like this product. But please, you don't want to put this on if you have not sold much, or you have not sold at all. I'm going to put it on just for the sake of this video, and you will see that on the storefront it's going to show 0 sold, which is not good for you, right? You don't want to show people, that your buyers or prospect, that people have not really bought this product. All right, then this one is buyer pays for transaction fee. This is to determine whether the transaction fee that you're paying, all right, to KreateSell, and this transaction fee comes from the payment gateways that we are offering you as a creator. So if you want your buyers to pay for transaction fee instead, just toggle it on. It means therefore that when your buyers get to the checkout, they will have a transaction fee that is added to the selling price of your product. But it is advisable that you put this off so that your buyers will see a round figure at the checkout. That means if your product is 10,000 naira and you've advertised it to be 10,000 naira, on the checkout your buyers will only have to pay 10,000. But if you toggle this on, your buyers will have to pay whatever percentage of the transaction fee in their own currency. They will have to pay that. So this is the purpose of this toggle. Buyer pays for transaction fee. I'm going to toggle it off. Then automatically send the buyer to an external site after purchase. This is for creators who you're not trying to upload a content file. Instead, you want to send your buyers to an external platform. Maybe you have hosted your course somewhere, and then or maybe you even have a private YouTube or something that you want to send them to. You can send your buyers to this point. So all you need to do is put on this toggle and then enter the website. All right, put in the website you want to send your buyers to, just as an example. Now it says activating this option means that your customers will be redirected to the web address you provided after a successful payment. If you want them to access the file you uploaded on KreateSell instead, put the toggle off. The implication of this is that if you are uploading a content file and you still put this on, when your buyers are done buying your product, they will be, instead of being shown the receipt page where they can access the file you uploaded, it will instead be sent to your external site. So you want to be sure what you really want before you toggle this on. All right, so that is it for the checkout details tab, and then you can save and preview. Your product details have been successfully updated, and then you have a preview of how your product page will look like. This is just an example. You have a preview, and then you can publish this, and you have successfully published a product. Congratulations, your digital product is now live. See product listing takes you back to all the lists of your products, and then you can go to your store, and then let's visit your store, and this is your storefront. Now you can see this is a product I just created. This is just a test product, all right, on KreateSell, all right, and you can see here that it's saying 0 sold because of that toggle that I asked to show the number of sales I've prayed. I asked it to publicly show the number of sales made. All right, so then just to mention this, that your buyers can buy you in any currency on KreateSell by default. So I only have to set my price in NGN, but let's say I have a prospect that is trying to buy in USD. All right, they would see the price in dollars, all right, for all my product also, and then they can go to the checkout and make payment for this product. So tada, we're done with this video. This is how to create your first digital product with KreateSell. I hope this has been helpful. Let me know in the comment section. Bye.